Are you looking to launch a Skool community but aren't sure where to start? You're in the right place. By the end of this quick explainer, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create a thriving community on Skool and whether it's the right platform for you. But stick around, because I'm also going to reveal a few alternatives that could better suit your needs, and you won't want to miss the exclusive offer we have for you. First things first, Skool is a platform that blends community building with course delivery. It's a clean, simple interface that makes it easy to create courses, discussions, and resources for your members. You don't need to be tech savvy to launch your community. But while it's easy to set up, there are some limitations. For instance, its customization options are somewhat limited compared to other platforms. You can't tweak the interface much beyond its basic structure. Next, let's talk about setting up your community. To create a Skool community, you'll need to sign up, create your group, and then customize your content and offerings. You can upload videos, documents, and other resources, and then create discussions or threads where members can interact. You can control access levels and add multiple admins or moderators to help manage the group. It's designed to help you manage both your courses and discussions in one place, which is convenient. But it's also a little basic when it comes to features like gamification or advanced member management. Now, here's where things get interesting. The platform works really well for small to medium-sized groups, but can be a bit limiting if you're looking to scale or manage a large, diverse audience. The lack of advanced features like integrations with other tools, advanced analytics, or detailed customization may hold some creators back. It's important to understand that while Skool excels at being simple and functional, it doesn't go deep into features that more experienced users might crave. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the pricing structure. Skool offers a free plan, which is a great way to get started, but to unlock some of the more advanced features, you'll need to opt for their paid plan. The cost is relatively affordable, but when you compare it to competitors, you'll find that there are platforms that offer more bang for your buck in terms of features and flexibility. Finally, if you're serious about building a successful community, you need to consider how Skool compares to other platforms. Alternatives like Teachable, Thinkific, or even Circle have their own set of pros and cons. These platforms offer more robust features, integrations, and customizability, but they may be more complex and expensive. Skool is great for simplicity, but if you're aiming for deeper engagement, more features, or extensive branding options, these competitors might be a better fit. At the end of the day, Skool is perfect for someone who wants to create a straightforward, community-driven experience with a focus on education and interaction. But if you're looking for something more feature-rich, platforms like Teachable and Thinkific could serve you better. And here's the part you've been waiting for. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial to Skool that you won't find anywhere else. But I've also highlighted some amazing alternatives that come with their own free trials and may suit your goals better. Don't forget to check out those links to make sure you're getting the best possible experience for your community building needs.